Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 15. In this video, we will learn add new worksheet in Excel. So let's start. So let's say add a new sheet with mouse. When you open Excel workbook, you usually see the sheet number 1 at the bottom. To add a new sheet, click on the plus icon next to the existing sheet. Okay, I just click on it and this will create a new blank worksheet like sheet number 2, sheet number 3. When I click again, sheet number 3 and sheet number 4. Okay, and so on. That's it. And here the second, add new sheet with shortcut. You can also use keyboard shortcut Shift plus F11 to add a new worksheet instantly. So here you can see in bottom side have a 4 sheet. Now I pressed Shift plus F11 and here you can see the sheet number 5 is added. Okay. Again I press the Shift plus F11, sheet number 6 is added. And another way, just right click on the sheet tab. So I just right click on it and just click on the insert to insert new sheets. And here you can see the insert dialog box is open. I select the worksheet and click on OK. You can see sheet number 7 is inserted. Okay, that's it. Next is rename sheet. After adding the new sheet, you can rename by double click on the sheet tab. So I just double click on the sheet number 1 and you can see just simply rename it. I just add employee data. Okay, in short, and just pressed enter. That's it. Okay. And you can also move sheet by dragging the tab to the new position or delete the sheet by right click on the delete. So if you want to move, just click on it sheet and just drag, and you can see here one small arrow here showing where you want to. So here I want to move the sheet between the 2 and 3 sheet number. You can see between the 2 and 3 sheet number have a sheet number 7. Okay. And to delete the sheet, simply right click on it and click on the delete it. To rename it, you can just simply right click on it. You can rename this way also, just click on the rename and you can just enter your sheet name. Okay. And here one more option available, right click on it and you can give the color also, tab color. I select here the red color. You can see here the color is changed. Okay. Again, I right click on it and here hide. Okay. So you can hide it. You can see sheet number 5 is hide. To unhide it, again, right click on it and click on unhide and select your sheet number to unhide and click on OK. The sheet number 5 is unhide. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.